Hey, what's up you guys? I hope you guys are doing well out there. So hey, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm doing with my money so I can grow my wealth here in 2022. So with that being said, find the thumbs up button right here beneath this video. Give that thumbs up button a quick tap for me. It really helps my channel a lot. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Alright you guys, so what exactly am I doing with my money here in 2022 to basically grow my net worth even more? So without wasting one single second of your time, I am choosing to invest my money into the stock market. Now, more specifically, when I'm talking about investing into the stock market, I'm not talking about investing into ETFs or index funds or like day trading or any of those type of things, because that's just not what I do. I'm more of a long-term investor, and more specifically, I choose to invest into growth stocks. Now, why do I choose to, invest into growth stocks? Because simply put, I believe that growth stocks outperform, basically all the other types of stocks, and that's what I'm looking to do. I'm trying to outperform the stock market. Like, I don't want just the average return. Now, do I believe that there's anything wrong with investing in an ETF or an index fund? No. But I think that's a really great option, for someone who just wants to like invest totally passive and doesn't want to do, like, basically doesn't want to spend any time, researching, individual stocks or companies, and just says like, hey, I just want to, funnel my money into my investing account, and I just want to know that it's very safe and it's going to continue to grow over time. And like I said, it's a great option for someone who wants to do that. But I'm willing to make the sacrifice to like do the research, put the time in, find the really great companies, invest my money behind those great companies, especially when I see that there's like, really like deep discounts, opportunities in the stock market to buy shares of those companies like we have right now here in 2022. So that's why I'm choosing to invest into stocks very heavily right now, because I feel like this opportunity that we're presented with here in 2022, basically in this recession that we're in, is like there's a very deep, heavy sell-off in the stock market, because people don't want to be invested when they see the stock market, prices going down more and more and more of basically virtually every single company in the stock market. Like, some of those people are not okay with dealing with that, that market volatility, and I understand. If that's their strategy, that's what they do, then hey, I understand. Do you, and do what works for you. But for me, I'm a long-term growth investor. I'm looking to grow my wealth as fast as I possibly can by investing into growth stocks, and if I can buy those growth stocks at a very deep discount, then I'm even more excited to do that, because I always invest into the stock market, each and every single week, but I tend to like, scale back how much I'm going to contribute to my brokerage account when the prices get very, very high. But nevertheless, I still invest, because basically I like dollar cost average my way into these, stock market positions. But when I see that there's very significant pullbacks in the stock market, and it's very specifically into the individual stocks that I buy, then I tend to like ramp it up and be like, okay, I really want to contribute more money to my brokerage account, and then that way I can buy, even more of a position into these really great companies. So then that way I can accelerate the growth of basically my net worth. I can grow my net worth even faster. And that's what I'm going to be doing. That is what I am doing, and that is what I'm going to continue to do here throughout 2022 and also into 2023, if the market, continues to just be very like compressed and very down like we see it is right here in 2022. So that's what I'm doing with my money here in 2022 to grow my net worth, significantly from where it is now, because I feel like I said earlier, I feel like we have a very, very like, great opportunity, because like pretty much every stock, in the stock market is like priced very, very low in comparison to where they were just a few months ago. And that presents a really great investing opportunity for long-term shareholders who are willing to go ahead and invest and buy and hold, buy your shares at these low prices and hold for the long term, and allow, these businesses to do what they do, allow them to operate, allow them to, ride out this tough time in the market, let them make their money, let them reinvest their money, let them continue to grow the company, let this whole, let the government sort out all this recession and all this and the interest rates and inflation and so on and so forth. And at some point when this is all over and it all kind of blows over and everybody forgets about this and the stock market corrects itself, well, the share prices of all these companies in the stock market are going to correct themselves too. They're going to be significantly more expensive than what they are today. And if you are one of the shareholders, who went ahead and capitalized on this downtime in the stock market right now, and you continue to just you continue to like hold your stocks throughout this, downturn that we're in, and you continue to hold them all the way until things, basically U-turn, and then, when the stock market corrects itself and we're no longer in a recession, well, you're gonna be sitting pretty, you're gonna be sitting pretty, and your net worth is gonna have gone up significantly. And like I said, that's exactly what I am doing and what I continue to do and will do throughout 2022, so I can grow my net worth. So hey, look, if you guys are interested in getting started with investing into the stock market, or maybe you already invested in the stock market, but maybe you're not satisfied with the investing platform that you use, so hey, I'm going to put a link to the investing platform M1 Finance in both the top comment in the comment section below. I'm going to put it as the pinned comment, and as well in the description box. I'm going to put a link to the investing platform M1 Finance. It's a really great investing platform to use. It's very easy to sign up with. It's like you could go on there your very first time and you're gonna be able to navigate your way around the website without any problem. And with a few clicks, you're gonna have your money in there and you'll be ready to go and get started with investing. So that way you could grow your net worth by either investing into whatever it is that you want to invest into the stock market, so that way you could grow your wealth. So hey, like I said, that link to sign up with M1 Finance, it will be in the top comment, the pinned comment in the comment section below, as well as in the description box below. And hey, if you didn't hit the like button earlier, be sure to give this video a like. Find that thumbs up button down below, tap that like button. It really helps out my channel a lot. And if you're new here and you have not already subscribed to my channel, look right here on the bottom right side, find that red subscribe button, give that red subscribe button a quick tap for me, so that way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And hey, because I know you made it to this part of the video, it tells me you enjoy videos like this. So hey, what you want to do next is you want to click this video here on the screen, and YouTube is going to show you the very best video from my channel for you. So I will see you guys in that video. So click that video here on the screen, and like I said, I'll see you in that video.